there are certain business types like department stores, hospitals, auto dealerships that are allowed department listings on Google. The departments should have different categories, their hours will often differ, and they often have separate entrances. Now, departments can show up on your knowledge panel, and they show up in a different space other than the located in feature. Now, if you have a department listing, it won't always automatically connect to your main listing. Now, if you're not seeing the department section in your knowledge panel, you can actually contact Google My Business and have them add it for you. Now, Greg Gifford offers some awesome tips for creating department listings on this thread at the Google Business Profile Forum. Specifically, here are a few things that Greg recommends doing. Number 1, make sure the department listings are nested properly. Number 2, make sure the department listings have a unique phone number, category, link to a unique URL on the website. Don't include the name of the parent company in the business name, and this will help you avoid having your service listing ranking for a branded search. So for example, if you run a car dealership and the name is Tricity Mitsubishi, name your service listing as Mitsubishi Service or Service Department. That way, people searching on Google for Tricity Mitsubishi won't be likely to see the service listing. Now, George Nenny also recommends over at the local search forum grouping your department listings together with the listing they are located in the same location group in your account. This will allow you to avoid having them get flagged as duplicates. Now, one last tip for you. If you manage department listings, I highly recommend using Local Falcon's trend report. This will show you if your department listings are causing filtering issues, which is a big problem. In this example, what we are looking at is a department listing and the main Google Business Profile. And what you can see is they are swapping ranking positions over time, which is not ideal. So they were using the same category. And once we identified this issue using the trend report in Local Falcon, we fixed the category and the filtering issue was fixed. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.